Pranesh Hagoven o tsamaisa kgwebo ya bophasalatsi. Lephata le le katisang dikgwebo potlana sita ga mmogo le matlole a dikgwebo potlana sifa ke yona leng ka morago ga kgolo ya setheo se sa badiri ba le 13 le mororo segola ka boiketlo.
How to build my business, how to use my finances correctly, and how to find new markets where we needed new machines, we needed new growth, and we look forward to SIFA.
Fela go fitlhelela thuso ya matlole ke kgwetlho.
Service the private sector to a large scale, meaning that it actually brings about 95% of our revenue, meaning that we do look forward to get more assistance from the public sector. It accommodates about 5% of my revenue.
Bagwebi potlana ba dumela le gore ba tlhoka gore puso e tsereganye.
When we apply for funding, we don't meet like the requirements that they are looking for, especially when it comes to registrations and all that thing.
It's easy to start a business, but it's difficult to get the funding because you need to comply. Sometimes from complying, you need to have like capital money.
Khabagare lefapha le batla go tla ka leano le le ka dirisang dikgwebo potlana go ka fetola le go godisa ikonomi.
We're talking about access to markets, access to funding, the red tape that is there. Of course, they do complain also about the non-adherence to the 30% that government has agreed to in terms of it going to small businesses. And we said these are all helping us as we're in a process of reviewing the legislation, especially the Principal Act, which we call the Business Act, with this big responsibility of not only growing the economy but transforming it, and on top of that, create the 9 million jobs envisaged in the NDP.
Bontsi ba beng ba dikgwebo potlana ba ne ba tlile ka makatla a namane. Seo se bontshitse gore bašwa ba ikemiseditse go tlhama dikgwebo potlana tsa bone.